Welcome back Motor Madness. Today the 2025 Suzuki e-Burgman is here, and it's changing the game for urban mobility. This all-electric maxi scooter brings Suzuki's reliability and comfort into the future with a zero-emission powertrain. If you're looking for a stylish, efficient, and eco-friendly way to navigate city streets, the e-Burgman is worth considering. Starting with the design, the e-Burgman retains the classic Burgman DNA but with a modern touch. The sleek bodywork gives it a premium feel, with smooth curves and aerodynamic styling that enhance efficiency. The LED headlight setup is sharp and provides excellent visibility, while the digital instrument cluster gives a futuristic vibe. The large and well-padded seat ensures comfort for both the rider and passenger, making it perfect for daily commutes. The under-seat storage is spacious enough to fit a helmet, and there are additional storage compartments in the front for small essentials. Performance-wise, the Suzuki e-Burgman is powered by an electric motor that delivers instant torque for quick acceleration. The lightweight chassis makes it agile in traffic, and the low center of gravity ensures stability at higher speeds. It comes with a swappable battery system, allowing riders to quickly change batteries instead of waiting for a long charge. The top speed is around 85 km per hour, making it ideal for city riding, while the range is expected to be approximately 100 km on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. Suzuki has designed the e-Burgman to be smooth and quiet, offering a refined riding experience without the vibrations of a traditional gasoline engine. In terms of ride quality, the scooter features a telescopic front fork and dual rear shock absorbers, which absorb bumps effectively, providing a comfortable ride. The braking system includes a front disc and rear drum brakes, with regenerative braking to help extend battery life. The 12-inch wheels offer good stability, and the overall handling is effortless, making it a great choice for urban commuters. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Suzuki e-Burgman is expected to be priced around $4,500 to $5,000, depending on the market. This puts it in competition with other electric scooters like the Honda M1e and Yamaha E01. Considering Suzuki's reputation for durability and reliability, this price range makes the e-Burgman an attractive option for those looking to switch to an electric scooter without breaking the bank. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki e-Burgman is a well-balanced electric scooter that combines practicality, style, and eco-friendliness. It's perfect for city riders who want a smooth, quiet, and low-maintenance ride while reducing their carbon footprint. If you're thinking about getting an electric scooter, this one should definitely be on your list. Let me know in the comments what you think about Suzuki's move into the electric space. Would you ride an e-Burgman? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Madness for more reviews on the latest motorcycles and scooters.